Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find draft reels on Facebook. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook application and click on the plus icon on the top. And here you need to click on reel. And let's suppose you record a reel. So allow access. So okay, so here you can see, but I'm not ready to post this video, for example, so I'm going to hit back and save this as a draft. And here you can see that it will be removed in 60 days. So click on save as draft. So let's suppose I close this, and again I'm going to click on plus icon and click on reel. Here you can see that continue editing your latest draft. So if you see this option, you simply need to click on continue editing. But let's suppose if that option is not appear to you, you simply need to click on draft, and here you can see draft, and keep in mind that draft will be removed after 60 days. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.